Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I'm super excited to reveal the teaser of upcoming project right here in Tanisandra North Bangalore, a project that is Bhartiya Nico Homes 8, which is developed none other than Bhartiya Urban Developers, a renowned builder in Bangalore who has developed Bhartiya City as well, a 138 acres of integrated township which includes residential project, commercial project, school and malls as well, which is now became a landmark in entire Bangalore. Other ongoing projects like of commercial, residential as well and the township in the name of Bhartiya Garden Estate. Now coming back to the new launch. So in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and right now I'm standing in front of the land parcel and this is the land parcel just behind me. So you can have a look at the land parcel. And now about the marketing office. So the marketing office, they are coming up in the marketing office over here. So this is the construction work going on for the marketing office. And this is the Tanisandra main road. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, now you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across massive land parcel of 11.35 acres with total 6 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 16 and 24 floors. And this project offers you exclusive 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK loft, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Tanisandra main road in Tanisandra near Belahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Tanisandra main road, and this road over this side will take you towards Nagvara and the opposite side road will connect you towards Belahalli. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So Belahalli Cross is just 500 meters away from the project. Bhartiya City is 2.1 kilometers. Reva University is 2.8 kilometers from the location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. This project will offer you world-class amenities like of multiple swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, outdoor sports court, gymnasium, garden area and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK loft, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK is of 786 square feet, 1.5 BHK of 1088 square feet, 2 BHK is 1165 square feet, 2.5 BHK is 1371 square feet, 3 BHK is 1730 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2003 square feet, 3 BHK loft is 2132 square feet and 4 BHK is 2506 square feet super built up area. And now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage but our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed by submitting the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Bhartiya Nico Homes 8 by Bhartiya Urban Developers located right here in Tanisandra, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.